County in northeastern Illinois. Northwestern County in northeastern Illinois. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Illinois and southwestern County in northeastern Illinois. Severe thunderstorm located over Yorkville, moving within 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. 95 miles. Source radar indicated. Intact. Damage smooth. Sighting. Entry. Aurora. Romeoville.
Tactics include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Palmerton, a severe thunderstorm. 35 miles. Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Yorkville, moving within 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Palmer Glen, Yorkville, Plano, Lisle, Darien, Montgomery, Lorenzo, Boulder Hill, and Bristol. This includes Aurora University, Benedictine University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.